Hi guys, this is the Motorola G53 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, you should hold for a while the empty space on your device home screen and then tap to the widgets icon. After that, you'll see here all of the available applications which widgets you can add. For example, the YouTube Music application got 3 different types of the widgets. The Gmail got one widget and one shortcut. For example, let's use the calendar widget. We can use here the schedule and the months view widget. Just to add it, we should hold the widget and drag it to the home screen. No room on this home screen, so let's just use another home screen. Just to do that, we should hold and drag the widget to the home screen. But if you want to move it between the screens or just to create new screens with a widget, that's not a problem. You just should hold it and drag to the left or to the right side of your screen. Also, you can change the size of the widget. Just hold it for a while, and after that you can change it just by this way, so we can make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, just hold the widget and drag to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.